Welcome to Brazil! I am your tour guide, Kaka.
Let me check it out. Wow, the book says Brazil is super fun.
Ha ha ha! Let's check it out.
Mr. Kaka, what's this?
Amazon rainforest in Brazil is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. People will perform samba dance and enjoy the spectacular float parade in Carnival of Brazil. Football is the most popular sport in Brazil. Brazilians play football on the streets everywhere. Where do you want to visit first?
Amazon Rainforest Adventure! Guide, where are we?
Here is the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world.
Wow! What can we find in the tropical rainforest?
There are dangers in the rainforest, but there are also many interesting animals.
Can I go see those animals?
Of course! Let's explore the rainforest together. Mew Mew, do you know what it is?
Is it a lotus leaf? Why is it so big?
This is the Victorio amazonica. It has leaves much larger than those of ordinary lotus. Look, Mew Mew, there are some birds.
They are so pretty. I want to know more about them.
There are so many pretty birds. Let's take pictures of them.
Okay, sure. I want to take a picture of this bird.
Here is a picture of a colored trogon. It has a ring of feathers that looks like a white collar. Wow, a nice photo of a toucan. This has a large bill. We found a cream-colored woodpecker. Its bill is pointy and hard. This is an Amazon parrot. Most of its plumage is green. This is a macaw. Its plumage is colorful and very pretty.
Let's keep going and check out other animals.
Look, there are also animals in the water too. Let's check out what kind of animals they are. There are many special animals in the Amazon.
Let's check them out together. Please help me find this animal.
Look, this is a pink Amazon River dolphin. It looks like a dolphin, but lives in the river instead.
Please.
This is a giant otter. It is good at swimming and is a fishing expert that likes eating meat.
Please help me find this animal.
We found a piranha. It is ferocious with extremely sharp teeth. We found an electric eel. It can produce electric shock to make people faint.
Please help me find this animal. Please help me find this.
This is a spectacled caiman. It is a kind of crocodile that inhabits South America.
Let's keep going and check out other animals.
Oh no, it's raining. The tropical rainforest experiences sudden rainfalls quite often.
What should we do?
Don't worry, I've got an umbrella. Look, this is a jaguar. There seem to be many other animals in the rainforest. Let's check them out. There are many animals hiding in the rainforest. Can you find them?
No problem. Let me check them out. Let's check out where the animals are hiding.
We've found a golden lion tamarin. Although it's a monkey, it's as mighty as the lion due to its long golden hairs. We've found an armadillo. It's like a mouse in armor. Look, here is an anteater. It eats lots of ants with its long tongue. This is a jaguar. It has the shape of a tiger, while the pattern on its body is similar to that of a cheetah. We've found a sloth. It's lazy and slow in movement.
Let's continue with our adventure.
Look, there are many trees in the rainforest that grow in the water like this.
Wow, it's amazing. Fantastic! The Rainforest adventure is a success! Carnival performance. Look at the crowds. What are they doing?
Everyone is getting ready for the carnival. There will be an exciting float parade tonight.
That sounds fun. I'd like to join too.
Let's get a customized float. Please spray paint the base of the float. Then put up the pillars. Choose a nice-looking canopy. Hang the colored lights. Add more pretty decorations.
Wow, our float is so pretty.
We also need to make an adornment for the samba costume. The adornment will be carried on the back. Let's first set up the skeleton. And then put on feathers. Many samba costume adornments are made of colorful feathers.
I really love this adornment. Please help me choose a nice mask.
Please also help me choose a mask.
Yay!
The carnival performance starts!